Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today if you want to download DaVinci, come to your Google Chrome and search DaVinci Resolution Resolve, sorry, DaVinci Resolve. Come and search DaVinci Resolve. So after coming to DaVinci Resolve in your Google Chrome, which is Blackmagic Design, come and scroll and come here DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, this is DaVinci Resolve, sorry. So we have free download now and buy online. Buy online, you will be required to pay around $295, which is around $300. And here is we have free download Resolve. So for today we are going to do free download Resolve. So if you go to free download Resolve, we have this one, we have DaVinci Resolve 21 Public Beta and DaVinci Resolve Studio. Studio Beta is payable. You have to pay for it for you to use it. So if you want to continue with that, you are going to you are going to do what you are going to be required to pay for it. But here we have DaVinci Resolve in session 1, DaVinci Resolve 21 Beta. Now it depends with where you want to do. If you want if you have Mac, we have Linux, we have Windows, and we have RAM. So it depends with where you want or the resolution of your or RAM, the kind of computer you are using. So today we are going to use Windows. Come to Windows, then you will be required to fill all these details. After filling all these details, then here register and download. So for example, let me do this now. Download. Now after it is now downloading. After it has downloaded, come to zip folder, double click the zip folder. It is still downloading. Come to zip folder. After coming to this zip folder, double click the zip folder and do what? And install it.